Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to make 100% natural, easy and homemade pineapple juice. I'm taking one medium-sized ripe pineapple that I feel is enough for 2 people for a day. We'll cut it in small cubes like this. I'm using this juicer, but you can even use a blender and then strain the juice. It hardly takes few minutes to make the juice and is a great way to eat this fruit. I can hardly eat one piece of pineapple otherwise because I somehow don't like the taste of it much, but I can easily drink a cup of this juice without even adding any other sweetener or salt. But it's better not to eat pineapple on empty stomach as the enzymes present in it may increase acid production. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C, vitamin B, fiber and many other nutrients. Once the juice is ready, taking a mug, placing a piece of pineapple and we'll pour the juice. You can even add some water, any sweetener, black salt and some lemon juice for added taste. But I don't mind drinking it simply like this. So that was all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.